Hello, boys and girls! Remember, last video we looked at some of the things the animals do. Well, this is part 2. That's right. The eagle flies, the puma climbs, but can other animals do these things too? Let's find out.
Okay! The fish swims.
Okay, but can the monkey swim?
Yes, it can! The ant walks.
Can the baby walk?
No, she can't. The puma climbs.
Can the bear climb?
Yes, it can. The snake slithers.
Okay, but can the ostrich slither?
No, it can't. The monkey swings.
Can the man swing?
Yes, he can. The hare runs.
Can the sloth run?
No, it can. The kangaroo jumps.
Can the dog jump?
Yes, it can. The horse trots.
Can the shark trot?
No, it can't. The eagle flies.
Can Jota fly?
No, he can't.
Can the man fly? boys and girls. They tell me we have a last-minute report. Let's go see what it's all about. I see some friends here. Let's go see what they're doing. Hi, boys and girls. Can you ride bicycles?
Yes, we can.
Woohoo! Weren't those animals and people amazing? Now I know there's things I can do and things I can't do. I can speak in English, but I can't fly. I can play the guitar, but I can't slither. What are things you can do and can't do? Tell me all about it, okay? We'll see you next time.